Welcome to AP Pranks. This is our first episode. But that's free. Come on, old lady. It looks like
Dang, no people. We need like a bus here.
I know.
If we had
Only
a
two buses come.
if we had a whole line of
The
trucks.
second bus, she looked old. You got an old lady. She looked like 18.
That's
This side, this side.
It's funny, the preppy lady. She's a midget.
I know. You got a booster chair. You got four?
Oh, here comes the mailman. You better do
He
it.
has to honk.
Yes. Of course not.
That's why they even honk.
I
He
know.
pointed. He didn't crack.
I was gonna expect him to go like a little farther and honk.
Oh, this girl almost died in the wrong turn. That's a guy?
Honk.
That's a guy.
That's a girl.
That's a he. That was funny. Our
Here's a
ball
car.
is 10 and we only got 4. Who's laughing too?
You know I'm gonna start yelling honk.
Do it. Next time.
Honk! Honk! Come on, you can do it. She's right about to do it. No cursing.
You got the I didn't curse.
I know.
Holy beep! I'm gonna kill somebody.
Gotta do it, lady, or in.
Beside me. Trying to cool glasses. You saw the glasses. His glasses made him look big.
Hey,
His glasses made him look fat. Ah! I think
she works at a library.
I know.
She's the one that kicked Alex out, right?
I think just seeing them with your cat. I think just seeing them makes them feel.
Okay, so you do the honk sign. I pretend like I'm playing a game. Man,
Which side? This side.
come on, it's a pizza man.
Pizza!
Hey, pizza man! I need to get myself some pizza.
How the heck did we get all the way down here? We're all the way over there.
No, we weren't. Oh, we scoot down. Hey! Hey! Oh, please. Please, please, please.
Ah, shit!
You just cursed on camera.
Oh man, I went to the wrong page.
Stupid.
I think the page ripped. Is this your math book?
Yeah. It's broken.
Why am I at the top?
It's ripped apart. Look at the bird.
Honk. I'm sexy.
Hey. These old people. They look like Miss
We got that?
Yeah. I got everything of you. Damn. And we're doing a turn view. Car.
She did it. She skinned it. I heard
I like the.
that.
That toy towing truck goes in there every morning, every afternoon.
What truck?
That towing truck that honked for us the first time.
Wait, which side? This side. There's two sides. Nice glasses! I like those glasses. Yo, if I had Alex's number, I would have told Alex to come out and come here. You know how stupid his ass would have looked.
It would have been. And then the
That
lady.
BMW looks nice. I like the car. Yo, imagine if I was like this. Patrick. Oh no, I think it's close. I don't want to play with this. She looks midget. I'm gonna make fun of all these people now.
Hey, you better do it. It's a school bus. You gotta be kidding me.
This car is side.
That looked like Mike.
Imagine if I was like this. And I actually stopped.
That looked like Mike from the Jersey Shore.
I didn't.
Yeah, it did.
That guy with the red car who didn't honk, he looked like Ronnie. Cause he had that
I know.
mohawk. I missed it yesterday. I can't believe I. Wait, how much minutes is it?
6.
Okay, it's on stop it and go to new video. We see we got the play button.